A dream of mine is to own a Dodge Hellcat. Well, my friends, that dream has come true. It might not be the full-size adult size, but nonetheless, it's still a Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat red eye wide body. Let's go ahead and unbox it and test this out. All right, first off, let's take a look underneath the Hellcat here. So you can see underneath. All right guys, for the back wheel, you take off the zip ties, the rubber band, you lift this piece up, slide this, and take the bolt off. You can leave one washer at the bottom if you want, the bigger one, or not, that's up to you. Then you slide this over like this, line this up, just like that. Then you're gonna go ahead and place the wheel over top here, and then you're gonna thread your bolt back down on once you do that. So we're gonna see here how the wheel goes on. Looks like it's gonna go like this. So you're gonna slide this piece down in, so this gets faced down. Make sure rear wheel, slide this down, lock it into place here. Then let's go over here, and you're gonna see the wheel. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your one washer down on here like this. So you can just slide that down on. You're then gonna put your bolt back on, and you wanna make it tight the whole way up until the wheel. This in, like that, just like that. Do that for all tires. It tells you, how to connect everything for charging. You got your gas pedal here. You have some other settings. You even got a USB port in here. Put your steering wheel on here, your power button. Got low speed, high speed, forward, stop, back, headlights. Pretty awesome. Of course, to open the door, go ahead. There's gonna be a red pin. You pull that red pin, and that allows you to open the door up. There we go. So you got different settings here. Music. Mode.
Music mode.
Music. Bluetooth. So pretty cool. We're gonna turn that off for now. Yeah, so far this is pretty sick. The screw back inside, because there's gonna be a hole. You see right there, there's a hole. You're gonna put the screw back through that hole with it in. All right guys, the moment of truth. Let's turn it on. Okay, so the remote's actually not that good. Like, it's losing signal from this distance. You almost have to be like kind of walking behind it as so if your child's inside and you want to use a remote, you kind of want to stand and walk behind the RC, behind the Hellcat. Hellcat versus a 205-pound grown man. we're also driving this on a deck, so keep that in mind. So it's not completely smooth.